Alright, so here's the new Iconntechs 4K camera that I got. It's an action camera, it's waterproof. It's a lot just like the GoPro. Actually, these mounts here are GoPro mounts that I have from my other GoPros, and I was just trying them on here, making sure it all fits. It's very similar to the GoPro. I'm not sure if the housings would fit the same or not. Probably not, but this one comes with a remote. It's got the Wi-Fi. That's new to me. The GoPro Hero 4 that I have, I'm not sure if it has that or not. I've never used that feature, so it might be something I try. But this camera comes with a lot of different hookups. It comes with a book telling how it works. Lots of goodies in there. Got different mounts. Lots of stuff. Another extra back door. There's the remote for the Wi-Fi, I guess. I'll have to try that out, see how that works. Different mounts. A lot like the GoPro. But very cool looking camera. There's that must be the battery. Yeah, to the remote. So I have to get it all together, give it a try. I'm gonna mount it on the wife's helmet this weekend, see how it does. Hopefully it stays on there good and we don't lose it. So we'll give it a shot. Alright, so I told you a little bit about the camera. Let's go check out some of the footage. This is where it was mounted on the helmet. So check out this footage. Yep. Well, here's some of the bikes we're riding with today. Just trying out this camera without the waterproof housing on it. See what the sound is like. Got a good lineup of bikes. Bunch more coming. Pretty cool. Good day for a ride. We got to go down and get trail pass. Alright, here's the wife's helmet. This is where I mounted the action camera. Not a big fan of it there, but it's all I had right now. I think I might order a Pro Shot that mounts in the front like what I have on mine. So we'll see what happens. I'm not a huge fan of it there. You can actually see, I've noticed in some of the video, you can see, you know, this and but it worked all right for now to try out the camera. That's the waterproof housing that it's in right there. And then we're actually GoPro mounts, so they're all interchangeable like I said before. But pretty nice little camera. They're $74. I'm gonna have a coupon in the bottom that'll run for about a week for 10% off. $74, so pretty good deal. 10% off, $74. Pretty inexpensive camera, and seems to work just as good. The volume isn't as good, you know, when it's in the waterproof housing, obviously. But when it's outside the housing, it's got pretty good sound. So, nice camera, definitely worth the money. Give it a look, give it a check. Follow the link below, 10% off. Iconntechs. Camera, pretty cool camera. Check it out.